Hi, I'm Paul Darley, and thanks for tuning into our April issue of Inside Darley. If you're like us, you're very busy probably getting ready for the FDIC conference, which is going to be taking place April 21st to the 23rd. That's a Fire Department Instructors Conference down in Indianapolis. And hopefully you'll come by our booth. We're going to be in the same location where we've been the last few years. That's booth number 1609. And we're going to have over 4,000 square feet of exhibit space there filled with just brand new innovative products as well as some existing products. And if you download our first attachment here, it's our spring-summer issue of our Darley Times, which features a lot of those new products. And we've got a new control panel for portable and engine-driven pumps. We've got a number of new portable pumps that we're introducing, including a new 37 horsepower Briggs & Stratton powered pump, a new 40 horsepower Kawasaki driven portable pump that only weighs 180 pounds, which is pretty revolutionary, and some other great new products. So hopefully you'll download that and check that out. And if you haven't RSVP'd and you've received an invitation, or if you're interested in attending our VIP reception on Friday evening, please reach out to us. You can contact my assistant, Dawn Yelmgren, and we'll get you squared away and get you an invitation for that. You know, most fire apparatus manufacturers, equipment manufacturers introduce their new products at the FDIC conference, and if you're interested in getting a really good look at what's going to be new on the show floor, we would encourage you on Thursday morning to go to a famous sponsored new product showcase that's going to be held in the Ballroom 500. And you'll get a really good idea of what all the different manufacturers are introducing. And Darley's actually donated a drone, a DJI Phantom drone at this. So not only will you get it up to date, but you'll have a chance to win that drone. And if you don't win that drone, come by our booth. We're having a drawing as well, where we'll have one of those drones as well as a FLIR thermal imaging K2 camera, an all-expense paid trip to Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, and some other great prizes. So hopefully we'll see you there. You know, it's interesting. You talk of new technology. In the last few months, I've had an opportunity to go to trade shows from Asia to the Middle East, and the number of drones on display at fire and emergency shows has grown tremendously. And we had our first drone, our Darley Stinger, at the FDIC about 5 years ago, and I think people looked at us as if we were nuts. But this technology is really catching on. We're selling them into the Middle East, into the New Zealand Fire Service, into the Canadian Forest Service, into smaller even fire departments here in America, as well as large cities such as Louisville, Kentucky, and Fort Worth, Texas, just to name a few. So you might want to stop by and check out that technology. Speaking of new technology, our second attachment here is a McKinsey article. It's entitled "The Four Global Forces Breaking All Trends." So it was named McKinsey's #1 article last year. It talks about disruptive technologies and the rate of change increasing at an incredible pace. So you might get some good information out of that. And I recently had an opportunity to go on a leadership mission to West Point in New York, and it was just a really enlightening trip for me. But our last article is written by David Spungren, and it's entitled 10 Leadership Lessons I Learned at West Point. And some of these lessons you may have heard, like no plan, survives its first contact, and people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. But the other 8 are very interesting too, so if you're into leadership, you might enjoy that. So thanks for tuning into this issue of Inside Darley. If there's anything we can be doing to support you, we hope you'll reach out to us.